Has extended the custody of 3 Vivo executives and Lava's managing director Hari Om Rai in a money laundering case. The Enforcement Directorate had asked for 10 days custody, but the court granted only 3 days. Ashmit Tej Kumar is here recapping what happened in court.
Well, after spending the last 3 days in ED's custody, the Sessions Court has seen it fit to grant another 3 days of custody to Hari Om Rai, the chairman and MD of Lava, as well as 3 other accused in this case. Now, there was some interesting arguments exchanged. Hari Om Rai's counsels argue that despite various recent judicial orders that reprimanded the ED on its conduct, there appears to be no change. Intact, that the ED continues to use its powers indiscriminately. The lawyer said that the PMLA has been converted by the ED into an instrument of oppression. The argument that they put across is that for an arrest to take place, a very clear dirty money trail has to be drawn leading up to Hari Om Rai, which clearly has not been established, and despite that, the arrest was done. Further, their counsels went on to argue that if at all there is a case of the ED, that there has been circuitous investments into the Indian market by the Chinese company, that would be a violation of FDI norms, which would be a civil offence under FEMA and not a criminal offence under the PMLA. Interestingly, in a departure from convention, we also had Hari Om Rai, who was present in court, personally addressing the court, where he said that as a sign of protest, he's not had a morsel of food for 105 hours. He further went on to say that the ED appears to be championing the national cause, but that he too is a national champion. Lava is the last remaining brand of Indian smartphones that he personally has been counseling and advising government leaders on how to draft policies. He also, in fact, went out on a limb and sought an audience with senior ED officials. That, of course, was not allowed, but clearly making a case of ED's abuse of power. However, these arguments did not cut ice with the additional sessions judge. Despite these arguments, the sessions judge has granted ED 3 additional days of custody of Hari Om Rai, as well as the 3 other accused, allowing the ED 3 more days for custodial interrogation.
All right, remember, Lava is a homegrown brand, and big ramifications of what is being alleged by the Enforcement Directorate. Ashmit Kumar reporting there. Moving on, the Delhi High Court